Hello, for all the ATPS 170 students, in this video, I am going to show you how to make the 5 charts. This is part of your oral exam problem that you are going to solve, so I need all of you to understand how to make the 5 charts. Before we start the charts, I would recommend you to reorganize your data set. And your data set should look something like this. So I have highlighted each column, and this is the name of the column that should correspond to the column in your raw data set. The reason I like you to reorganize the data sheet is because after you reorganize, it's a lot easier for you to find out the columns. I am going to upload my example data set to Blackboard so you can follow this format to organize your own data set. So number one, I need you to reorganize the data set. Follow the example that I will post to Blackboard. So let's build our first chart. To build this chart, I need you to copy and paste 3 columns. So you're going to copy and paste the year column. So what you do is go to the year column, and you are going to right click and click copy, and then you're going to paste the year column, right click and click paste. So that's how you paste the year column. You do the same thing to copy the real price of your major product. That's in my case, that's my real price of chicken. That's a real P chicken column. And also the per capita consumption of chicken. That's my PC chicken column. So I want you to copy and paste these 2 columns to a new Excel spreadsheet. To create a new Excel spreadsheet, if you have that question, let me quickly show you how to create a new Excel spreadsheet. What you do is click Add, and that will bring in a new Excel spreadsheet. To rename, you just need to right click and click rename, and that's how you create a new spreadsheet. Okay, let's go to the real price chart. To start, build it. At the end of this exercise, you're going to get a chart that will look like this. Okay, so let me copy everything, post it to my second chart so I can show you step by step how you make the chart. Okay, you are going to click Insert. I want you to click Insert, and then I want you to click Scatter Chart. So you go click Scatter Chart, and then you click the first one. So that will bring in this chart area for you. What you do is you are going to right click, and then you are going to click Select Data, and then you are going to click Add. Okay, that brings you this window, and then you're going to click this little clickable window, and then you click the first year, which is 1985 for my case, and then you click X values, which is your real price of chicken in 1985, and then you go click the next box, which is your series Y values. You click your per capita consumption of chicken in 1985, and then you are going to click OK. So it's already built for you. Click OK. So that's something that will look like. What you do next is to right click, point this first data point, right click, and then click add data labels. Click add data labels, and that will bring in the per capita consumption number for this first data. And then I want you to click this 52.473, which is the per capita consumption of chicken in 1985. Highlight the number, highlight it, and then put 1985. That's the name of the year. So that's how you put in the first data point. And then you continue to do the second data point. What you do is right click, click select data, and then you're going to click add. The series name, you're going to put 1986. So include 1986, and then the X value would be your 1986 real price of chicken, and your Y value would be your per capita consumption of chicken in 1986. And you're going to click OK. You're going to click OK. So you saw this new data point, which is in brown. You're going to left click it in order to highlight it, and then right click it. You're going to select add data label. Add data label. So that will bring in this per capita consumption of chicken of 53.141. What you do is you highlight this number and highlight the entire number. So just use your cursor to highlight it, and then change the name to 1986. So that will give you the name, the year name of this data point. Let me do one more. You right click, click select data, click add. This time you're going to add the third data point, which is 1987. After that, you click the X value, which is the real price of chicken, and then you click the Y value, which is the per capita consumption of chicken, and then you click OK. Click OK, and you saw a new data point, which is right here, this gray one. Right click it, and then click add data label, and then you're going to go to the data label, and then you are going to use your cursor when it becomes a little bar, and then you highlight it, and you're going to put 1987. So now you have finished creating the third data point. You do the same for the rest of all data point to form this real price and per capita consumption trend table. So now you are going to click insert. I want you to click insert text boxes, and then you put horizontal text boxes. Let's just we could just put it here. So we're going to add the, just make it bigger before I do that. That will help. And then I'm just going to go back to click insert text boxes, horizontal text boxes, and then we're going to put per capita consumption of chicken versus a real price of chicken. Just put it, probably I just need to make it bigger and then put it in the middle. So that will bring you the entire the name of the entire chart. And I would also suggest you to drag it up a little bit, and then I need you to click insert and text boxes, and then you wanted to add vertical text boxes, and you wanted to add it here. So this vertical are pounds. Those are the the unit of your y-axis. So you probably wanted to shrink this a little bit so you can clearly see this pound. So that's going to be your unit for your y-axis. And then you also wanted to insert your unit for the x-axis. Let's just did I put it horizontal? Let me delete it. Let me just click insert text boxes, and I'm going to put horizontal. So here I'm going to put dollar per pound. So that's going to be my x-axis. So that's how you create the real price chart, and in the end you should get something like this. Again, I'm going to post this entire chart to Blackboard so you can follow my demonstration and exercise and make sure you're going to get something like this. Thank you. Bye.